Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This cake has no maida, no eggs and no refined sugar. It is rich, moist and healthier. You cannot ignore its texture, so you should definitely add this recipe to your bakery menu. Start by combining yogurt, jaggery powder and vanilla extract. Then add baking soda and oil and give it a good mix. Now sieve whole wheat flour, baking powder and cocoa powder. Add warm milk to put together the batter. Transfer to a lined tin and bake to enjoy the most flavorful and decadent cake.
Tell me honestly, do you really need an occasion to make this no oven, soft, moist and tempting cake? For episode 16 of No Oven Magic, let's make very flavorful eggless gulab jamun cake in air fryer. Start by combining milk, cardamom powder and saffron. Then in another bowl, combine ghee and powdered sugar. Now sift in flour, baking powder, baking soda along with milk powder and salt. Now add the milk mixture to make a smooth batter. Transfer it to the greased bundt mold and bake for just 10 minutes in air fryer. Your gulab jamun cake is ready to dig in. This upside down cake has no maida, no eggs and no refined sugar. It's soft, moist and healthier. Trust me, this recipe is a keeper. So let's make upside down chocolate dates cake. Start by soaking dates in hot milk for 1 hour. Then grind using Usha hand blender which has stainless steel bar and blades which help in blending into fine paste. Then add oil, whole wheat flour, cocoa powder along with baking powder, baking soda and salt to make a smooth batter. Now arrange dates and walnuts at bottom of a loaf tin. Transfer the batter to it and bake. Your healthier chocolate cake is ready. Tell me honestly, do you find baking difficult? Then don't worry, you are at right place because we are making no oven and eggless cake at home with very basic ingredients. Start by combining salted butter, jaggery powder, room temperature milk and desiccated coconut to get the caramelized coconut topping. Now combine yogurt and baking soda. Once it froths up, add sugar and any flavorless oil. Now sift in flour, baking powder and salt. Then add milk to make smooth batter. Bake in a preheated cooker until texture comes out clean. Top it up with caramelized coconut and enjoy Danish Dream Cake for episode 4 of Easy A to Z. This plum cake is eggless, made without alcohol and no prior soaking is required. It's so flavorful that you can't miss it for Christmas. Start by squeezing fresh orange juice and transfer to a pan. Then add all the whole spices mentioned in caption along with cashews, almonds, raisins, cranberries and tutti frutti. To make plum cake batter, sift in whole wheat flour and all other dry ingredients mentioned in caption. Now add some chopped nuts of your choice and give it a good stir. For the wet ingredients, combine melted butter, neutral oil, milk, vinegar, hot water and vanilla extract. Then combine with dry mix along with fruit and nut soak and make a smooth batter. Now transfer it to a greased and lined loaf tin and bake in cooker, oven or air fryer. With that, your plum cake is ready for episode P of Easy A to Z. If you got bored with basic cake flavors, then try this soft, moist and eggless orange coconut cake made in air fryer. Trust me, it's a flavor bomb. Start by combining fresh orange juice and orange zest along with any neutral oil and yogurt. Then add in powdered sugar, desiccated coconut and fine semolina. Now move on to sifting flour, baking powder and baking soda. Make a smooth batter like this. Transfer it to a greased and dusted bundt mold. Air fry at 160°C until done and dig in. These cupcakes are made without maida, without oven and without eggs. For episode 24 of No Oven Magic, let's make soft and moist whole wheat coconut cupcakes in kadhai. Start by sifting whole wheat flour, baking powder and baking soda along with salt and almond flour. Then in a mixer jar, pulse the yogurt, powdered sugar, vanilla extract along with desiccated coconut and oil. Add this mixture to the dry ingredients along with milk to make a smooth batter. Fill it in any katori lined with cupcake liner and bake in a preheated kadhai. Your wheat and coconut cupcakes are ready to take in.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए and if you do, share pictures with me on Instagram and tag Bold Baking Nation. I'll see you next time. Till then, bake bold and live sweet.